Good morning, students. In previous class, we discussed about some trigonometric identities like as sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D, cos C plus cos D, and cos C minus cos D. Okay, and we solve some NCERT questions based on that identities. Today, we discuss about next some important trigonometry identities. Let's see. Today we discuss about the values of trigonometric function. Today we discuss about values of trigonometric functions at 2x in terms of x. Okay. Today we discuss about some trigonometric functions at 2x in terms of the value x, in terms of the value at x. Okay, let's see. There are some important formula for that. Let's see. First one is sin 2x. The formula for sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. This is the formula for sin 2x, which is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, and next one is 2 cos 2x. The main basic formula for cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. Okay, and let's see, since we know that cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x now, and sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. Okay, so the formula for cos 2x can be determined in the form of cos square x and in the form of sin square x. Let's see. Suppose if we put cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. Let's see. If we put cos square x is equal to what? 1 minus sin square x, and minus sin square x is already here. So what I get? 1 minus 2 sin square x. This is also the formula of cos 2x. Okay, the main formula for of cos 2x, that is cos square x minus sin square x now, and we replace cos square x as 1 minus sin square x, then we get the formula for cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x. This is another formula of cos 2x. Okay, now we replace sin square x as 1 minus cos square x. Then what I get? Let's see. Cos 2x is equal to, we replace sin square x as 1 minus cos square x. Then we get cos square x minus 1 minus cos square x. So let's see, we get cos square x minus 1 minus plus cos square x. Now let's see, plus cos square x plus cos square x, that is 2 cos square x. So we get 2 cos square x minus 1. So this is another formula of cos 2x in terms of cos square x. Okay, this is the formula of cos 2x in terms of sin square x. This is also the formula of cos 2x in terms of cos square x and sin square x. So all these three formula for cos 2x. Okay, now let's see some other formula. Now the formula of tan 2x. The formula for tan 2x is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. This is the formula for tan 2x, which is equal to 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Okay, and one another formula of sin 2x in terms of 10x, which is equal to 2 10x upon 1 plus 10 square x. Okay, this is the formula of sin 2x in terms of 10x, which is equal to 2 10x upon 1 plus 10 square x, and here the formula of tan 2x is 2 10x upon 1 minus 10 square x. Here in 10 2x here minus sign, and in terms of sin 2x here plus sign. Okay, and one another formula for cos 2x in terms of 10x, that is equal to 1 minus 10 square x upon 1 plus 10 square x. Okay, so there are three important formula of 10x, sin 2x and cos 2x, all in terms of 10x. Okay, now okay, so we discuss about the formula sin 2x, cos 2x, tan 2x. Okay, and here two important formula for sin 2x and cos 2x here in terms of 10x, that is 2 10x upon 1 plus 10 square x, and here 1 minus 10 square x upon 1 plus 10 square x. Okay, now we take some questions based on that identities. Okay, let's see, we take some NCERT questions. Prove that sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x sin 3x plus sin x upon cos 5x minus cos x is equal to tan x. We have to show that sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x upon cos 5x minus cos x is equal to tan x. Okay, so first we take left hand side. Let's solve it. First we take left hand side, that is sin 5x. We take we arrange sin 5x and sin x together. Okay, then we have sin 5x plus sin x, and here minus 2 sin 3x. Okay, upon, in denominator we have cos 5x minus cos x. Cos 5x minus cos x here. Okay, now let's see what I do here. If you observe first two terms, we apply the formula here cosine c plus cosine d. Okay, and in denominator we apply the formula cos c minus cos d. Okay, let's see what is the formula of sin c plus sin d. 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Okay, let's see. If we apply the formula sin c plus sin d, that is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Okay, and we write minus 2 sin 3x as it is. Okay, 2 sin 3x we write as it is, upon in denominator we apply the formula cos c minus cos d. Okay, then what I get, that is 2 sin c plus d by 2, 2 sin c plus d by 2. Okay, take minus sign in common, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Okay, that is 5x minus x by 2. Okay, now after solving it, what I get here, 2 sin 5x plus x, that is 6x, and 6x by 2, that is 3x. So here 2 sin 3x into cos. Here what I get, 5x minus x, 5x minus x upon 2, that is 4x upon 2, that is 2x, cos 2x. Okay, minus 2 sin 3x left. In denominator, minus 2 sin 3x. Okay, 5x upon 2, that is 2 3 is 6, that is sin 3x into sin 5x minus x, that is 4x upon 2, that is 2x. Okay, now let's see, in from numerator we take 2 sin 3x as common, 2 sin 3x take as common, then we get cos 2x minus 1. Okay, upon in denominator we have minus 2 sin 3x into sin 2x. So 2 cancel to each other, and sin 3x also cancel to each other, and what I get, cos 2x minus 1 upon minus sin 2x. Okay, so in numerator what I get, cos 2x minus 1 upon in denominator minus sin 2x. Okay, now let's see, if we minus sign, we multiply minus in numerator, then what I get, minus, that is plus 1 plus minus sin 2 cos 2x, we get 1 minus cos 2x upon in denominator we get sin 2x only. Okay, and let's see, here we apply the formula of cos 2x and sin 2x. Since we know that the formula for cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x, and the formula for sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, so we put here 1 minus 2 sin square x upon in denominator we put sin 2x, that is as sin 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, so we break the brackets, we get 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin square x upon 2 sin x into cos x. Here 1 cancel to each other, so we get 2 sin square x upon 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, so here 2 cancel to each other, sin square x sin x cancel each other, so we get sin x upon cos x, we get as 10x, which is our result. Okay, so we get what, sin x upon cos x as 10x. So dear students, you can solve all the questions based on the identity sin 2x, cos 2x or tan 2x in this way. Okay, first you learn all the formula for this chapter, after that you can solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on that identities. Now we take some other questions based on same identities. Now we take some other question based on same identities. Let's see. Prove that this is also the NCERT question. Prove that sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is equal to 4 cos square x is equal to 4 cos square x into sin 4x. Okay, we have to show that sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is equal to 4 cos square x into sin square 4x. Okay, now let's see. First you see your result. What is the result of that question? That is here sin 4x ना, and sin 4x what we get, when we get, कब हम पाएंगे? Let's see. If we take sin 2x and sin cx together and then we apply the formula of sin c plus sin d, now 6x plus 2x by 2, that is 8x by 2, and we get 4x. Okay, so first we take LHS and we arrange sin 6x and sin 2x together. Okay, let's see. Let's solve it. First of all, we take left hand side and we take sin 6x and sin 2x together. Okay, and here we write 2 sin 4x as it is. Now here we apply the formula sin c plus sin d. We get 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Okay, and here we write 2 sin 4x as it is. Now let's see, 2 times sin 6 plus 2x, that is 8x by 2, that is 2 sin 4x into cos 6x minus 2x, that is 4x, 4x upon 2, that is 2x, cos 2x plus 2 sin 4x here. Now we take 2 sin 4x as common. We take 2 sin 4x as common, that is 2 sin 4x we take as common. Then what I get? Cos 2x minus plus 1. Okay, now let's see. Here we apply the formula of cos 2x, and the formula of cos 2x is what? Since we know that the formula for cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. This is also the formula of cos 2x. So we put here cos 2x as 2 cos square minus 1. Then plus 1 and minus 1 cancel to each other. Let's see, that is 2 sin 4x, and in bracket cos 2x put as what? 2 cos square x minus 1, and here plus 1, also here minus 1 plus 1 cancel to each other. So we get 2 sin 4x into 2 cos square x. So we get 2 to the 4 cos square x into sin 4x. Okay, here we get 2 to the 4 cos square x into sin 4x. This is our result. This is our result, that is RHS, hence proof. Okay, so dear students, we can solve that type of questions in this way. Now we take some other questions based on that identities. Let's see. Now we take some other question of your NCERT exercise. Prove that sin x minus sin 3x, sin x minus sin 3x upon sin square x minus cos square x, sin square x minus cos square x is equal to 2 sin x. Okay, this is your question. Here we have to show that sin x minus sin 3x upon sin square x minus cos square x as 2 sin x. Okay, now let's see. First of all, we take left hand side. Okay, and we take left hand side as sin x minus sin 3x, okay, and in denominator we take minus as common, that is minus. If we take minus as common, then what I get? 2 minus cos square x minus sin square x. If we take minus as common, then we get cos square x as positive and this is negative, and now we multiply this minus in the numerator. So what I get? This is minus, so it convert into the plus, that is sin 3x and minus sin x upon, and here we have in denominator cos square x minus sin square x. Okay, now in numerator we apply the formula sin c minus sin d. Let's see what is the formula for sin c minus sin d. That is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Okay, let's see. 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, that is 3x minus x by 2. Okay, upon, and here let's see, this is the formula for cos 2x, right? Because of we know that cos 2x as cos square x minus sin square x na. So in denominator we put to cos square x minus sin square x as cos 2x. Cos 2x. Okay, so let's see here, that is 2 into 3x plus x upon 2, that is 4x upon 2, that is 2x, cos 2x, 2 cos 2x into, here what I get? Sin 3x minus x upon 2, 3x minus x as 2x, 2x upon 2 to cancel to each other, so only sin x is left upon cos 2x. Cos 2x, cos 2x is cancelled to each other, and then what I get? 2 sin x. Here we get as 2 sin x. This is right hand side, hence proof. Okay, so dear students, we solve that type of question in this way. First you learn all the trigonometric identities based on sin 2x, cos 2x, tan 2x, etc. After that you can solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on these identities. Okay, now we discuss about some other important formula for trigonometric function. Let's see. Now we discuss the values of trigonometric function. Values of trigonometric functions at x in terms of the value at x by 2. Okay, now we discuss about the trigonometric function at x in terms of the values at x by 2. Okay, let's see. Since we know that sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x na. Okay, if we take sin x, then if we divide each angle by 2, then what I get? We find all the formula of trigonometric function at x in terms of the values at x by 2. We replacing x by x by 2. In that type of formula, we replace x by x by 2. Okay, we replace x by x by 2, then we get all the trigonometric functions at x in terms of the values at x by 2. Okay, suppose that in this formula, if we replace x by x by 2, then what I get? Let's see. If we replace x by x by 2 in that formula, then what I get? Sin 2 into x by 2 is equal to 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Here 2 cancel to each other, so we get sin x is equal to what? 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Okay, so we learn all the formula of cosine 2x, cos 2x, tan 2x, etc. In terms of the values at x by 2, just we replace x by x by 2 in each formula, each and every formula. In this way, we get the new result of trigonometric function at x in terms of the values at x by 2. Okay, now let's see some other formula. Also, we know that cos 2x is what? Cos square x minus sin square x na. Suppose if we replace x by x by 2, then what I get? We get cos x here, and here cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Okay, so this is the some different formula of trigonometric function at x in terms of the value at x by 2. We finding that type of formula, just we replacing x by x by 2. We find all the formula at x in terms of the values at x by 2. Okay, so dear students, you can learn all the trigonometric functions at x in terms of the value at x by 2, just replacing x by x by 2. Okay, suppose that here we have the formula tan 2x is what? 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x na. So here we replace x by x from x by 2. We replace x by x by 2. Then what I get? Tan x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan square x by 2. Okay, so we find all the trigonometric function at x in terms of the values at x by 2 in this way. Okay, thank you.